अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म। और आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ टाइप्स ऑफ पोइम्स शेयर करूंगी दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पोइम्स एंड सो few of them are. First is sonnet, and sonnet came from Italian word sonato, which means little song. So sonnet को हम एक लिटिल सॉन्ग भी कह सकते हैं एंड बेसिकली इट्स अ शॉर्ट राइमिंग पोएम विद 14 लाइन्स. सॉनेट्स यूज एम्बिक मीटर इन ईच लाइन एंडिंग राइम्स. तो जो भी पोएम आप देखेंगे वो 14 लाइन्स पे कंपोज्ड है, तो उस पोएम को हम सोनेट कहते हैं. और इस सोनेट का जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट था वो विलियम शेक्सपियर ने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इफ़ वी आर रीडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ सोनेट, सो इट्स नेम्ड एज सोनेट 101, सोनेट 60, सोनेट 43. तो ये सब मोस्टली जो सोनेट्स हैं वो विलियम शेक्सपियर ने लिखी हैं. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ पोएम जो है वो होती है एपिक. It's a lengthy narrative poem in grand language celebrating the adventures and accomplishments of a legendary or conventional hero. So कोई भी ऐसी पोएम जो किसी ग्रैंड इंसिडेंट को या किसी लेजेंड की जर्नी को एक्सप्लेन कर रही है, तो वो पोएम यूजुअली एपिक है. और इसकी वेरियस एग्जांपल्स हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल बियोवुल्फ बाय एनोनिमस, विच मीन्स कि इसका राइटर जो है वो एज सच मैंशन नहीं है कहीं पे भी. उसके बाद मेटामॉर्फोसिस बाय ओविड, देन इलीड बाय होमर. तो ये कुछ ऐसे वर्क्स हैं जो कि एपिक पोइम में कंसीडर किए जाते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे पास थर्ड टाइप ऑफ पोइम है, वो है फ्री वर्स. A free verse does not follow any rules, as its name also indicates. Their creation is completely in the hands of author, or you can say poet. Rhyming, syllable count, punctuation, number of lines, number of stanzas, and line formation can be done however the poets or authors wants in order to convey the idea. So completely it depends on the poet that how he want to delineate syllable count, punctuation, number of line, number of stanza in a poem. So basically it's a free verse poem depending on poet's choice. For example, The Red Wheelbarrow by William Carlitz, it's one of the best example of free verse poem. You can Google it. Next one is narrative poem. So narrative is a poem that tells the story of an event in the form of a poem. There is strong sense of narration, characters and plot. It may be dramatic with objects and diverse characters. And so what's the difference, basic difference between epic and narrative is that in epic poem it only revolves around a legend or you can say a kind of important incident. But in a narrative poem, the characters, plot, narration, everything is included and it is narrated in a beautiful way in a form of a poem. So it can be dramatic with objectives and diverse characters, with different characters having different traits. And for example, The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. So it's one of the example of narrative poem. Nextly, we have the type of poem which is acrostic. An acrostic poem is a poem written where the one letter in each line spells out a word or phrase vertically that acts as the theme or message of the poem. For example, we can see one stanza-based poem where each first letter indicates the main theme of that each line. L is for laughter we had along the way. Here L indicates laughter. O is for optimism you gave me every day. O indicates optimism, which is the main idea of this line. V is the value of being my best friend. V indicates value. E is for eternity, a love that has no end. E indicates or shows eternity, which is the main idea of this line. Now moving towards next type of poem, which is limerick. It's a 5-line witty poem with a distinctive rhythm. The first, second and fifth lines, the longer lines rhyme. The third and fourth shorter lines rhyme. So basically the first, second and fifth lines are the longer ones and they the thrice rhyme, and the third and fourth, which are the shorter lines, they do rhyme. So for example, there is a rhyming scheme of a poem A A B B A. So wherever the rhyming scheme of first, second and fifth line are same and the rhyming scheme of third and fourth are same, so this is a poem which is said to be limerick one. Now the last type of poem is haiku. It's an ancient Japanese form of poem. Writing is renowned for its small size as well as the precise punctuation and syllables needed on its 3 lines. Many poems by greatest haiku poet Matsuo Besho. For example, a frog jumps into the pond splash. This is a complete poem. Okay, so it's mostly the haiku poem is the one which is the shortest kind of poem, in which a complete theme is denoted or delineated in 1 or 2 lines. So this kind of poem is known as haiku. I hope so the idea of types of poem is clear enough to you. So if you like my video, do press the like icon, do share it, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and keep watching Learning Platform.